videotaping all the beautiful nature. So have fun with this beautiful nature view. I love all the houses and I love all the nature. I heard that in the rainforest, a lot of trees are taken down. So that's why we have to recycle and cannot use more pencils because if we recycle a lot, like my neighbors do, their names are Andrew. Andrew has a sister named Megan, and she's 12, and Andrew is 9, and Kelsey, and that is Andrew and Megan's mom and name, and Mike is that is Andrew and Megan's father's name. So if you recycle a lot, then we will have a lot of more money, and more trees will be built in Costa Rica, the kids' rainforest. So that's what I learned about in a nature book. It was a pretty good book. And I just love nature. I am glad we have nature and the world so that we can live. And I am glad we have food so we could eat, and I'm glad we have drinks so that we can drink, and if we didn't even have water or anything to drink, then we would die. And so that's all about my nature. Okay, have fun with yours, videotaping yours.